Good morning guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me today. I don't normally come to B&M, so I am actually very excited to be here and need a couple of cleaning bits, but other than that, let's see what B&M suggests that I may or may not need in my home. I will of course do a little haul when we get back home as well, but let's go see what's in store. Of course, I got sidetracked down that first aisle straight away with those Easter slices, but alas, once I turned the corner and made my way to the cleaning products, I was really glad to see that aisle was empty, I'm not gonna lie. And the first thing that caught my attention was the Carpet Fresh, and then something in the corner of my eye was shouting at me, and that is the Sevi Pet Floor Cleaner. I've heard lots of good stuff about this, but I've never actually tried it. So if you want to see whether that made it into my basket or not, you'll have to see until the haul. And then these natural home pieces really caught my eye because not only do they look good, but I feel like they're also really good for the environment. Rather than a plastic pole, at least the wood can rot down when we no longer wish to use the product, which is a total win-win in my eye. This window cleaning kit, if you do not have a window cleaner and you want to do it yourself, I would highly recommend this kind of thing, especially where you can adjust the handle length yourself and whatnot. They are top notch. I have one at home, and I have been hunting down this Drain Power Foam Cleaner. Super excited when I saw that. I then like to go down and have a little smell of the candles too. That one actually smelt really, really good, which is why I'm showing you it, the Happy. It was really nice. And I tried another one as well, but wasn't such a fan of that, and I can't remember the name of it. I don't know about you, but I could get totally carried away buying so many smelly things. One thing that I found quite strange was I found this strawberry jar down that aisle. I did love it though and thought it was very, very nice. Then we made our way to the home section, and straight away I saw this bowl decorative piece, whatever you may call it. Absolutely loved it, but I don't really have anywhere to put it, and that's always the thing that I love so much, like this fake wooden platter thing. And this, you can't actually tell on camera that well, but it was iridescent glass with the matchsticks. Again, £3.50, absolutely loved it. And this candle, I'm sure everybody has seen this candle everywhere by now. Absolutely love it, think it is really, really cute. And I thought this piece would be quite nice on a media wall. And then this bowl down here, I was so tempted to get this. I have loved this style for years, but I also thought, where can I put it? And I like the idea of having some more plants and just, I don't know, pieces to zhuzh up the home a little bit. Storage containers in B&M, wow. As I said, I don't come in here very often, and I didn't know that they had so much storage. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you may gather that I am a fan of a basket or two, and so seeing this has definitely gone in the memory bank for when I need to be organising some more pieces. I loved the amount of wicker baskets as well that they had, so definitely remembering this one for in the future. And also, how great are these fabric foldable ottomans? Absolutely loved this and was super tempted for this to be able to store things in the living room. And then just a few random pieces here because I absolutely love these plates. We've got no need for plates, but they nearly came in my basket with me because I just think they're really cute. And this Warm Earth table runner and placemats, absolutely loved that. So nice and super easy to store because they're just lightweight and thin. Now, when I tell you, when I turn this corner, oh my goodness gracious me, I was so happy to see this stuff. Easter is a little bit early, I'm aware, but how beautiful is this wreath? It was £20 and absolutely stunning. And Tom actually the other day said, "Oh, isn't that nice?" And it was a wreath on somebody's door. And so now I've taken that as, oh, we can have a wreath on our front door. So I'm actually on the hunt for one to see if I can find anything. Now, this egg, I thought that was going to be a candle, but it's not. It's actually a jar. So just in case you yourself haven't seen it yet, there you go. It's a jar. I also loved this vase, this bunny vase. And I don't know, let me know. Do you think you can use that all year round, or do you think it is just for spring time of year? I'd love to know. They had so much out, so many cute bits. I appreciate every store differs with the stock that they hold, but I had to hold myself back because for me, I just don't know where I would store some of this stuff. And this basket, oh my gosh, if I had children, this is the kind of thing I would get because how cute. And again, I got sidetracked with another wreath. Standard. I also spotted all of this Easter craft stuff, which again, I feel for children is absolutely fantastic and you can't go wrong with it really. And all of these sweets, I'm thinking for my niece and nephew, I could get some kind of jar, fill it with some sweets, or do a little gift bag, something along those lines. I'm not too sure, but you can't go wrong. And the prices for children, especially for how quickly they'll eat them, again, you can't really go wrong. How cute are these biscuits as well? I wanted to show you each one that came in. If you've seen it, sorry, because this will be boring. But yes, they have 4 different ones and I think they're all very, very cute. I also spotted some baking kits because I think how cute is that to do with your children or like me, my niece and nephew. So I think the bunny house is my favourite, I'm not going to lie. And then whilst I was on my way to the till, I also spotted this bedding, which I absolutely love. How nice is that? Well, I personally think it's nice. Hey guys, quick one from me, Editing Eve here. Just wanted to say, because I meant to say this whilst I was doing the haul, but I totally forgot, that if you haven't already heard of it, when I can get words out, if you haven't already heard of it, there's an app you can get called Sprive. I don't know if this is worldwide, but I definitely know it works in the UK, and it's basically where you can buy vouchers and it helps to reduce down your mortgage payments even quicker. This is in no way an ad or anything like that. It is just, I use it, it works great, and I wanted to let you know because I didn't realise you could actually buy B&M vouchers through it, which is what I did for this haul. It's definitely worth it. I managed to get like 7 point something% off. That's like essentially gone towards reducing down our mortgage. I am a big believer in the pennies take care of the pennies and the pounds will take care of themselves, and especially with the mortgage to help get it down ASAP. So I just wanted to share. I'll leave a link to it below in the description in case you have heard of it or you're tempted in any way. It's definitely worth checking it out. I'm raving about it to all of my friends and family. And yeah, it's like I said, it's not a link, it's genuinely, I want to share it because if it helps you save some money, it's a win. Back to the haul. So I'm now back home from my B&M trip and I thought it'd be quite nice to show you what I got whilst I was in there. There was actually so much that I really liked, but we can't bring it all home with us, can we? Because at the end of the day, we don't have masses of places to store it. Or if you do, then I'm very jealous of you. So to start, there is no particular order to this. I've been after some of this for a while. Some of the Drain Power Foam Cleaner by Combat. I got it in Ocean Force and yeah, blasts through dirt, anti-odor protection, clear blockages. Well, we'll put this to the test and see how we get on with that. I'm excited to try that. Then we got some of the Sevi Pet Floor Cleaner. I haven't tried this before. I haven't smelt it actually. I've heard people have said good things about it. Let's try it together. That is really nice. It's actually like laundry detergent. Oh gosh, that's good. So got some of that to try. Our floors need a really good clean at the moment, so that'll be getting put to use very soon. So then next up we have some flash spray. I've actually got this for the bathroom, but it can be used all over. I've got this in a floor cleaner and the smell is so good. So when I saw it that it can be used in the bathroom, yoink, you're going in my basket. Then next up was 2 pairs of gloves. Now I must admit, these gloves are so good. I can't stress enough. They're so thick, and they come in pink and purple, and they've got like a lining almost, if you can see that. And they're very, very comfortable, and they last ages, which is always what you want in a glove, I find. I got, of course, the good old classic, some white vinegar. We're running low on this. I'm still going through my phase of absolutely loving chucking this down the drains too, so we needed that. That's just a pure staple for us. Okay, so next I got a blind duster. So if you saw my last video, you would have seen how I went about cleaning our our shutters in the living room, and it was just a bit of effort, to be honest. So I'm on the lookout for things that can make things a little bit easier and a little bit quicker. Yeah. So I saw this and I thought, we need to try this. I like that it's got a really wooden handle as well. I thought that was really nice. So that came home with me. I also bought a couple of reed diffusers. So these are Happy, Lily of the Valley and Amber. Oh, so Happy is the scent by Lily of the Valley and Amber. But I smelt the candle version of this and it smelled really, really nice. So I just like to have these in the porch so that the house just smells a bit nicer as you come in. I then bought some toilet bleach. It's not the most exciting thing, I know, but we all need it. And normally I like to get a toilet bleach where I'm paying like £1 or under. However, this was £1.19 because it's quite a struggle in the economy as it is right now to get a toilet block for £1. So I've had to spend 19p extra. Then just got some brushes. Tom likes to use these in the kitchen, so we needed some more, so I got him those. I also then got a few dog items. So this is just well, I'm going to use it as a tug toy for Nova because that girl loves tug, and I love the fact that it's blue because that helps her to see it more. And also, if you're a dog owner, if you're not, I'm really sorry, bear with me for a second. This was £3.99, I think. I put the proper price on the screen, but I think this was £3.99. And if you have a pet, you yourselves will know how expensive places charge for things like that. So I thought that was really good. And they also had some plaque remover as well in there for us. So I got those bits. Cleaning stuff is not done yet, 1 second. So I then also got some more Carpet Fresh. I really like just to pop this down, especially like if you only get a few minutes warning before people are coming. I find that this is just a great way to spruce the place up and make it smell nice. I got this. I absolutely love this. So I saw it on the shelf. It was the last one. I'm not actually sure how much it was, and I don't know where the receipts are at the moment, but I'll put the price on the screen. And yeah, I just thought, you know what, she's going to go beautiful on the fireplace, and so that's going to be her home, and I can't wait to put her up. And I could not leave this. We're all using reusable water bottles these days, and they are a bit of a nightmare to clean, let's be honest. But I saw this kit where you get this, and I just thought, do you know what? Excellent, you're going to help save me loads of time. Come home with me. And then I got a couple of Easter bits, but probably not Easter bits in the way that you're initially thinking right now. And that's because I got some Easter slices, which look delicious on the box, but I'm also not sure. I feel like this kind of thing could either be beautiful or just semi-average. So I wasn't willing to risk it though, of course. I picked it up and we've got it with us to try. And then the other load of Easter bits are for my niece and nephew. I like to get them little Easter bags each year, and so I just get little things to pop into them for them. And in all honesty, if I buy them an egg right now, whilst we are in February, I know full well when I'm in the mood for some chocolate, that egg will not last. I will just then rebuy another egg in. And so I've bought a few bits so that I can keep them to one side. I know full well I will not eat any of this, and then closer to Easter I'll get them a little egg and then I can give them their gifts. And then lastly we have a new mop. So this kind of style of mop I have had my eye on for a while, and in my Amazon basket is a different brand that is a lot more expensive than £12, and I just couldn't really bring myself to spend the money on this other mop. And when I saw this today, I just thought this is perfect, because one thing that I really like about the style of these mops is that it will fit into our utility cabinets easily, or hopefully easily anyway. So we got this. The cleaning products that I've bought in today's video will be used in my next Sunday video. So if you do want to see how some of these, or how I use some of these, specifically this one, then stay tuned for that. So if you did enjoy this, then please let me know. I would love to know. And if you would love to see any more hauls of something like Home Bargains or Poundland or anything like that, then let me know, because well, I felt like I'd bought quite a lot when I was in the shop, but now that I've gone through it, I don't feel like that was all that much, and I've really enjoyed it. I've enjoyed sharing the cleaning products and the few little extras that I've got with you. So yeah, if you do want any more kind of haul videos, then let me know. I'll be happy to go out there and see what other items places have and put them to the test. But yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this. I most certainly have. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. As always, it does mean a lot. Take care, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.